In Google Sheets, you can hide rows and columns in a worksheet. This doesn't delete the row or column. They are just temporarily hidden until you choose to unhide it. This can help you concentrate on specific information without distractions. To hide a row, right-click the row header to display the contextual commands. Next, select Hide Row. The row is hidden. There is now a button with 2 arrows on the row headers between row 3 and 5. This signifies that there is a hidden row between them. Although the row is hidden, the values can still be referenced in formulas. To unhide the row, click the arrows button between the row headers. As you can see, row 4 is displayed again. Hiding a column is very similar. To hide a column, right-click the column header. Next, click Hide Column. To unhide column B, click the arrows button at the border of column A and C. Now let's look at how to hide multiple rows at once. To hide multiple rows, first click the row header of a row you want to hide. Next, hold the Shift key down, then use the up or down arrows to select additional rows. Finally, right-click in the shaded area, then select Hide Rows 4 through 6. Rows 4 through 6 are now hidden. Hiding multiple columns uses the same process, so I won't repeat it. In this lesson, you learned how to hide rows and columns, including how to unhide them.